Right now, I want to go over the Milwaukee heated vest. I will tell you a bit about the vest and then I will show you how to use it. There are two chest pockets, one with a zipper and one that just opens from the top. There are also two side pockets on the front, neither of which have a zipper. There is also, and finally, a side pocket that does have a zipper, and this is where you will store the battery and the included adapter. Depending on the vest and the bundle that you bought, it may or may not include a battery, but this is part of their M12 line and it does work with the M12 batteries. So these are the same batteries that I use in my drill and my driver. You simply plug the battery into the adapter, then you plug the jacket into that adapter, and then you can store it in the side pocket with the zipper. To turn the vest on, you simply press and hold the button on the chest. It has 3 different levels of heat. It's got high, medium, and low. So press the button once to cycle through the different settings. Then you press and hold the button to turn it off. Now it can run up to 6 hours depending on the heat settings that you choose. It's got 2 heat zones, one on the front chest and then one on the upper back. I personally think this is a great vest, very well built, sturdy, high quality. I've had it for over a year now and it still performs like it did when I first got it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.